fun today?
Yeah, not too bad.
We're sailing along the New Jersey coast. Light winds and a swell. Pretty amazing. That's a lot of work.
And that's bull raking for oysters, maybe.
And that's the tip of Sandy Hook, New Jersey. We're just headed up north along the inside here for a little bit, and then we're going to turn to starboard, which is east from right here, and we will head off into the Atlantic Ocean along the coast of New Jersey. There it is. There's the tip of Sandy Hook. We're headed out that way. A bit of a current with us right now. We're doing 9 knots. Pretty good. 9-1, 9-2. Not a lot of wind. We're motor sailing. Got 12 knots apparent right now. Pretty good. There's the New Jersey coast. We're just sailing along, headed south now. Got a little bit of a swell out here. It's hard to film a swell, but think of it as a very slow roller coaster. It's actually pretty comfortable. You might be able to see some of the shadows of the swell as it goes by, but a little tricky. And off to this side, here's Carolyn. Hi.
Hi.
Having fun yet?
Yeah. Feel like Lisa Douglas. Who lies?
And over here we've got what looks like a big oil tanker. Another one, barge, and a tug, and then off to the distance it looks like a couple of giant container ships. And there's another barge over there. Way over there in the distance, New York City. Looks like a huge drum.
Hi.
So what did you do this morning, Angie? You did school stuff, huh?
Yeah.
Good. And we are sailing today down the New Jersey coast. And this is what it looks like off the side of the boat. That's pretty cool. Light on the water, some swells. Not much waves, just swell today. We're motor sailing south. Here's the view. Have fun.
Yeah, we're heading down the coast of Jersey. We're starting to see Ferris wheels on boardwalks, and I think it'll be a really pretty sight when the lights come on.
Yeah. So what are you making over there?
I'm making linguiça, potatoes, and green beans.
It sounds like a very good Portuguese food for today.
And we got the pop restraints on tonight.
All right. It was great. What'd you make? What's that?
Linguiça, potatoes, and green beans.
That was great.
Taste of home.
How are you? Just sitting there watching the world float by?
Yeah, it's pretty like the sun over the water over there.
Yeah, it's pretty, huh?
Yeah.
And look at that. We got this cool looking rainbow showing through the clouds up there. Right behind the boat. I think it's just up in the clouds. Yeah. Smile. Oh wait, we're on video. This is a selfie video. Wave. The boat's on autopilot, so yeah, it steers itself. You set the courses and then it just does the rest.
And it's really dark out now. And here's the moonlight on the water. And that's Atlantic City. You can see one of the giant Ferris wheels. And all the lights. It's off in the distance. It's a little bit hard to film. Pretty cool.
Here we are. We're tied up at the dock in Cape May, New Jersey. This is the Cape May Marina. And real nice place. They've redone a lot of it. There's a lot of these new townhouses in here. They actually kind of look like our house back home. A number of years ago, we actually met Uncle George here. Came down the boat. Nice place here. And there's the fuel price today at the marina. $3.90 for diesel and $4.25 for a gallon of gasoline.